So we're out here in Germany this week with our classic turbo restoration service. We're going to be going into Stuttgart and Munich with it and doing some test drives, meeting with clients, and, just having a good time. We've gotten to experience a bit of everything with it this week. We have a little bit of Autobahn driving. We have these beautiful roads and vineyards out here in Stuttgart that we've been taking the car out on, where you get to appreciate kind of the versatility of the restoration and the driving dynamics behind it. The car's been wonderful. I mean, I had the car out yesterday for 12 hours or so that we took it on pretty much every single type of driving that you would want to take that car on. We had it out on the highway for quite a while. We had it out in the country roads, and it just shows that in every single one of those applications, it's more than capable of handling itself while delivering a really fantastic driving experience. It's been fantastic being hosted by Kussmaul, just because the work that they do here really aligns itself well with the attention to detail, and really the ethos of everything is important at our company. The reaction is always exceeding expectations, which is what we want to see with the car, right? I think people have an idea of what it's going to be like, and then it delivers itself as being so much more, because the car is really a symphony of the efforts from ourselves, from our vendors, and from all the time and development that we put into it. I mean, a piece of feedback that we get from so many of our clients all the time is that they get out of it and they say, I cannot believe that started life as a 964 generation Porsche 911. We've taken something old, we've brought all this new balance, agility, and dynamics to the car. It has a lot of the nods to what you'd find in a modern supercar and a new sports car, but it still at its core feels like a Porsche 911. It still kind of delivers that passion and feeling when you get behind the wheel that isn't quite like anything else. The time in Germany that we've had here has been absolutely fantastic. I travel all around the world to a number of our different partnerships and dealers, and it's always a thrill to come here and see some of the love that people have for the brand and the car. This year is the year that we're celebrating our 5th year with Doerr Group as our global partner here in Germany. As a family-owned business, I think they align very well with kind of the values and things that we want to bring, but they have a really distinct passion that we want to align ourselves with our partners internationally as well. The global partner network spans over 10 countries. We have partners ranging from Germany, Switzerland, Australia, Japan, newly appointed ones even in Saudi Arabia as of last year. It's really special being out here and seeing how people react to the car here in Germany. The thumbs up you'll get on the sides of the road when you're passing cyclists, or someone else coming along in their Porsche giving you a thumbs up or a nod it's really meaningful and special just to see how much love there is for the car.